Hi everybody, I am Heidi Kostyra from RE/MAX Crosstown in Barrie, Ontario. I just finished a full day with Michael Krisa and his lovely helper Diane. And I just wanted to let you guys know that this completely exceeded my expectations. I thought it was going to be a wonderful day, a great day. We had probably 90% of the office in attendance, which was awesome from both offices that we have. And I think that the biggest reason I would say to have this as a broker is because your agents are engaged. They want to learn. They see what everybody else is doing online, social media, and they just feel like it's beyond them and too hard for them to accomplish. And what Michael did in a very entertaining and fun way all day long is he just showed them how easy it was for them to step out of their comfort zone and just go for it. So I would totally encourage you as brokers. He held their attention all day long and everybody had a great time. I had one gentleman come up to me who has been to every training you can imagine over the years and is a very successful realtor. He came to me 3 times by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, said, "Thank you, thank you, thank you for having this. This was amazing." The other thing it did was it really made the office kind of more of a community, and it really helped the culture, which we know is very important. And I just think that you should all go for it. It's amazing. And thanks again to Michael for an awesome day.